Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at 11 Mickleburgh Hill. Now, this property is an absolutely gorgeous and stunning example of a detached 4-bedroom period style home in Herne Bay. Now, I'm going to be going through a lot of information on this one today, so we'll try to take it all in as I go around and explain to you exactly what this property has on offer and a little bit of background behind its history as well. Of course, on the ground floor of the property, we have a wonderful, wonderful layout. If we take a few moments to take a look at the front rooms, as we're doing now, you'll see that you've got two lovely big reception rooms, both with humongous bay windows. So the ground level of this property does comprise two very, very large reception rooms to the front, lounge and dining room, and another two very large reception rooms just behind at the rear. So we've got, of course, another family room and the breakfast room located just off of the kitchen. There's a lot to go through here, so we'll continue to sort of go around this ground level here and try to take it all in. So we've had a look at the first reception room already, and we'll come through here and take a look at the second one, and you can see just how imposing those big bay windows there at the front are. And of course, the height of the ceilings here is certainly worth noting. They are gigantic. It's a really, really wonderful layout, and you can see you've got those lovely big square rooms, so you can have any layout that you'd like here whatsoever. So a bit of history behind this property. The property itself was built completely individually in 1898 by a locally renowned gentleman called Thomas Dence, and he actually built this property for his daughter, so it's a completely unique design and certainly offers a bit more than the standard Victorian property does in Herne Bay. So we'll come through here and take a look now at the family room, and you can see you've got again those lovely big windows there overlooking the rear garden, but it's just a big open space. So whether or not you'd like two sitting rooms at the front, dining room, family room, it's completely up to you, or perhaps you'd like to try and open a bit more of the space up. It's completely down to you, and I'm looking forward to showing you the rest of the property. We're going to walk up this wonderful balustrade staircase now and take a look at the property's 4 first floor bedrooms. And we're going to focus firstly on the 2 bedrooms at the front. Both are whacking great size, both doubles, and you'll see they've both got those lovely big sash windows. Now, both rooms at the front measure approximately 14.2 by 13.2, which is an absolutely brilliant size. And you've got the original fireplaces here as well, so you can certainly see the character in this property. And with these front 2 bedrooms, it's an absolutely wonderful space. They're proper sized double rooms, very imposing rooms. And after we've had a look at the front 2 bedrooms, we'll go through and take a look at the back 2 and the bathroom. And just a quick note, of course, this landing space is lovely. You've got that nice big open window there at the front, and location wise, you can see here we're right in the middle of Herne Bay. A fantastic location. You're only a few minutes of walk away from the town and from the seafront, equal distance. It's absolutely wonderful. So here we are in bedroom number 3, located at the rear of the property, and you can see here you've got some really nice fitted wardrobe cupboards, and this is a really fantastic size room as well. You've currently got 2 beds in here, but it's a whacking great size. They're big beds and you can easily get 2 of those in here, or one very, very large bed, so it's a really fantastic guest bedroom. And of course you've got that lovely window overlooking the rear garden there as well. So next we're going to go through and take a look at the bathroom, another wonderful, fantastic size, and then we're going to take a look at bedroom number 4. So here we are in bedroom number 4, and again it's another great size. Sorry to sound so cliche yet again, but it is a fantastic size. You can see you've got that lovely big window looking out over the rear garden, and that's just what this property is about. The sheer size of it and the amount of living accommodation that's on offer here is just so fantastic. It's a unique opportunity, and we're going to go and take a look through the kitchen and the breakfast room and out into the rear garden next, where you can see just exactly how much more space you have out there. But as far as a Victorian property goes, this offers such a unique and fantastic opportunity, and we'll look forward to showing you the rest of the property. So here we are in the 4th reception room on the ground level of the property, and you can see you've got an abundance of fitted storage here, and you've got that lovely big window overlooking the side of the property there. So this room here serves as a breakfast room, a dining area. It's a really convenient location, just located off of the kitchen and the utility room here. So let's go through and take a look at the utility room, because again it's a fantastic size, and when you've got a property of this size, it's so nice to have a space that you can just lock away and use really, really practically. Of course you've got that side access out to the rear garden as well in here, and you can see that glimpse of the rear garden that we're going to go and take a look at in just a few moments here. But of course you've got plumbing here for washing machine, you've got the space for the tumble dryer, you've got space for another fridge freezer out here. It's a really, really fantastic space, and you can just shut all the appliances away and forget that they exist. And here we are in the kitchen, again a really brilliant size and just overlooking the rear garden there. So as you can see, it really is a blank canvas, this space, for you to create whatever you'd like to at the rear of the property. So now that we're in the rear garden, there's a lot to go through in this space. It's a fantastic size, it's a really, really well tended garden, and it measures about 91 feet, so that's about 27.8 metres. It's a wonderful, wonderful space. It is so nice to relax in during the summer months, and it's so bright and colourful as well when all of the flowers and shrubs come out as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you for a few moments to have a good look around the garden and contemplate everything that you've seen already, and then what I'll do is I'll come back and we'll go through a few finer points in a few moments' time. So you join me now at the pathway which leads to the secret garden. Now it's a really nice little enclosed space that you could really do something with. It certainly offers a bit of an opportunity here to create just another part of the garden that's a bit more private. Really wonderful, unique space. So of course, let's recap on a few points with this property. It's a beautiful Victorian detached home. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 reception rooms. You've got the upstairs bathroom, the downstairs shower room, you've got the utility room and the kitchen here. It's a substantial property. Of course, to the front, you have that really imposing Victorian look with character at the front, and there's plenty of off-road parking here as well, with the driveway and the garage. Now, I'd certainly ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies so that you can find out a little bit more about this property, because there's so much on offer here. It's a wonderful opportunity, and again, I'd just certainly ask that you give us a call and find out a bit more. I'll leave you now so that you can have a little think about what you've seen and think of the questions that you'll be able to ask us, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.